future boyfriend. Kung gusto dyan sana magkuyanta, sige i-replay lang ning kanta paminawa.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Tarot.
Precise talaga.
Yes, welcome back to my channel. It's like we're at Nerang Station and we're gonna catch a train because we're going to Brisbane. Oh my god! And the squad is coming. This is our first travel together with the squad.
Interesting.
Yes, so yeah, we're excited and we're gonna walwal tonight as well. We're gonna like assume na lang that we're gonna walwal tonight because that's probably gonna happen because our squad is like, yeah, the April squad is walwal squad.
And we are the food squad.
And vlogging, oh diba, we're vlogging our vlogging. Oh my god, I can't believe we're vlogging now. Everyone is vlogging now. I'm such a bad influence. No, I'm a good influence. I told them to vlog. Welcome back to my channel.
How are we? How are we?
So yes, we're talking about coffee because Scott's gonna watch this vlog. Okay, because Scott is like so addict with coffee, and this girl was so addict with coffee as well. Like how many months? No, years ago.
When I was in uni, I drink
Yes, like 6
to 8.
Yeah.
6 to 8 coffee.
And I was like, I was wondering why everyone, like this girl and every person that I know, they're so addict with coffee. Why I'm not addict with coffee?
Because she's addict already, so that's why. Addict na siya. Addict na siya, kaya that's why no wonder that the caffeine in coffee don't have no effect on her because she's already
Yeah, like actually guys, like I wonder why I don't like coffee.
if addict na siya.
If the other people, like they're so addict with it, why I'm not addict with it? We're so crazy here.
Because addict na siya, kaya
because life is food.
Food
and
is
food
life.
is life.
really hungry.
Yes, we're hungry. Hungry but vlogging because food and vlogging is life. I haven't tried that. They said this is very good. Lengit besh.
Most burgers here. Where are you going? Come on.
Look at the freaking, oh my god, look at what we ordered. It's so freaking yummy.
Why do you have the wedges on? Not at home. Diet Besh.
No diet for us. We're gonna freaking eat this one. Gora Bells fries. I'm gonna ink it this one. Oh my god, this is so freaking big. It's bigger than my mouth.
Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again.
Oh no, I went in the sauce.
So good. Oh my god.
She's loving it, guys. She's loving it.
Oh my god, look at this.
What's that?
I'm sure I tried some.
Oh.
Sushi burger. We're in the bus right now because we're going to Sunny Sana Southbank, I think. Southbank. Yeah, Southbank. And I like the seats here because there's brisbane. It's
If this night is not